In this video, I'm going to show you how to normalize a track in Reaper. Now, to quickly normalize an audio item in Reaper, first you want to select your audio clip like this, for example, and then to quickly do this, you want to press Ctrl plus Shift plus N on your keyboard, and as you can see, it's going to normalize your audio. Now, if you're on Mac, you want to press Command plus Shift plus N, and it's going to do the same thing, okay? That's the first way to do this. And this is going to basically peak normalize it to 0 decibels. Now, for more advanced options, or of course for more properties, you want to go and simply right-click your audio and click on Item Properties at the top. You could also press F2 on your keyboard with your audio selected to do the same thing. In here, you can see a bunch of settings, and you want to click on Normalize over here, and then it's going to allow you to basically normalize to whatever. You have a bunch of different options, and you can set your decibels as well. And you can go and pick, of course, what method you want to use, hit the OK button, and that's also going to normalize your audio just like that, okay? So those are all the ways. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.